5.1, question number 3, fourth one. It is 2y minus x is equal to 0 and 10x plus 15y is equal to 105. Now children, here you observe you have the x variable here and you have y variable here. But in first equation y is first and then x is there. So first thing what we will do, we are going to rearrange the terms in such a way that you are going to get first all x and then y. So I will just rearrange the first equation and I will write it as minus x plus 2y equal to 0. Children, I have written this x first followed by y and then right hand side as it is. Right? So we have not changed any of the sign. X was minus, so I have kept minus only. Right? 2y was plus, so I have written plus only. So that way it is done. And here all the things are fine, so I will write as it is. Right? So I have done the rearrangement of terms and then only you write down the equation number. Equation number 1 and equation number 2. Okay? So equation number 1 and equation number 2, after you rearrange the terms, you will write. Once you write it, now the method remains the same. You are going to eliminate one of the variable. Now children, here I have variable 1 here and here I am having 10. Yes?
Miss, in second equation we can divide the equation by 5.
Yes. That can be done. But I thought all may not be able to grasp that thing. No problem. If you are able to visualize, we will do that also. Okay, if you are able to see it, then I will do accordingly. As we are beginners, sometimes you are able to observe the fact and sometimes you are not able to observe the fact. Okay, now you see here it is 10x, here you have 15y and here you have 105. All these things are divisible by 5. Children, when you observe the equation, all such things you are going to keep in mind. The x should be first and then y, etc. Okay, and the right hand side should be always the constant. Okay, so here all x and y are proper, but what I observe that all are multiple of 5. So I can write it as, see, if I divide whole thing by 5, that means this also by 5 and this also by 5. Okay. So what will come? Each term has to be divisible by 5. So this also by 5, this also by 5 and this also by 5. So what will come? You will get as 2x plus 3y is equal to 21. Okay. So that you will give as equation number 2. Is this part clear to you? So once this is done, suppose you are not able to identify, miss मेरे को नहीं ध्यान में आया, then also you will be able to get the answer. Do not worry. See, maths is a subject where you have a varieties of ways to solve the problem. Same problem. You all are going to get the same answer. So even if that doesn't strike to you, do not worry. थोड़ा सा lengthy बढ़ेगा, but your answer will come. So anyway, this part came from you people only. So I am continuing with it. So I have here 5x plus 2y equal to 0 and 2x plus 3y. Now observe the coefficient. यहाँ पे 2, यहाँ पे 3. So they are not same. Here 1 and here minus 1 and here 2. So that is also not same. So what to do? Any of the coefficient we have to make same. So either you make the variable x का coefficient same or you have to make the variable y का coefficient same. Anything. So my suggestion is you just do multiplication of this by 2. Okay, सिर्फ इसको double कर. So you don't have to multiply. Second equation will remain as it is. So what we will do? Multiply equation 1 by number 2. Okay, so you always write the entire equation so that when you open, all the things will get multiplied, nothing is left over and there is no mistake. So minus 2x plus 4y and 2 zeros are
0.
correct. Some people says 2 also many a times. So you have to keep that in mind. So this becomes your equation number 3. When you multiply something, if you do any adjustment, definitely give the equation number. See here I have not given the equation number, so I can give here. If I would have given this as equation number 2, तो इसको मैं equation number 3 देती थी. So always when there is change, then you have to go on giving the numbers. Okay, so now I have here minus 2x and here I have 2x. So what I should do? I should add or I should subtract? Simply you have to add it because opposite signs are there. So when you will add, it will get cancelled. So I will write down adding equation. Now it will be 3 and 2. So our equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 21. And sorry, this is the first I will add the third equation. Minus 2x plus 4y equal to 0 plus you have to write down the addition ka sign and then equation number 2, that is 2x plus 3y equal to 21. This will get cancelled, right? So 4 plus 3, 7, y is equal to 21. So y is equal to 21 upon 7. 7 3s are, you got y equal to 3. Right? So you got the value of variable y. Once you get the value of variable y, you take any of the equation and you put y equal to 3. You can get the value of x, correct? So let us do that also. Come on, start doing it. I just write here. Put or substitute any word you can use, okay? Put y equal to 3 in equation. Now which equation we will take? Come on, I'll take first one. First one is small. So let us write down that. So I have minus x plus 2y equal to 0. So minus x will remain as it is 2. Wherever you will see y, you are going to substitute by 3. So minus 6 plus 6 equal to 0. So you have minus 6 is equal to, or you directly take x on that side. यहाँ पे minus x है तो take इधर. So 6 is equal to 0 plus x. So 6 is equal to x. So x is equal to 6. Correct? Now write down the solution set after you do it. Therefore, See, first we'll write down the value of x and then followed by the value is solution of given equation. I have written in short, you can write down in complete sentence also. Finished?
Yes,
Let us go to the fifth question in a similar manner. Now little faster we will do. Fifth question says 2x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. And you have x minus 5y equal to 11. These two equations are there, right? So this equation doesn't have, you have here the constant term. So let us take the constant term from left to right. So what you will get? 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 4. Now this is a standard equation, right? So all the variable part on the left hand side and right hand side constant part. The second equation is of the same type. So no problem. So we will write down second equation as it is. Now you observe. Here we have 2x plus 3y and here we have x minus 5y. So what is your suggestion now? 5 and 3 different here. Here 2 and 1 also different. So we have to adjust. So how to adjust it? Multiply which equation by what? What do you think?
2 or minus 2.
You have to multiply this equation by 2 and then you have to do subtraction. Right? So you have to first multiply. Children, do not multiply by minus numbers. First you have to just multiply with the numbers and then have a practice of addition and subtraction. Okay? So multiply equation 2 by 2. You understood? See, if we write all the equation also in numbers, so 2 by 2, it will be like a meaningless part. So that is why always we write the equation number in Roman letters. So multiply equation number 2 by 2. So multiply it. Actually do it. So you have 2x minus 10y is equal to 22. Now this becomes equation number 3. Okay. So this you have to consider and this you are going to consider. Here you have 2x and here also you have 2x. So now you need to do the subtraction because the sign is also same now. So sign is same, so we are going to do the subtract. So subtracting equation. Now you have to decide. Let me take third. From equation 1. Equation 3 is subtracted from equation number 1. So I should write equation number 1 first and then minus ka sign and I am going to write down this 2x minus 10y equal to 22. Correct? As it is a subtraction, you need to change the sign. So here this was plus, so it will become minus. This was minus, so it will become plus. This was plus, so it will become minus. Right? Because we are doing subtraction. Now whenever subtractions are there, you are going to forget about the subtraction you do, and you will get 2x and 2x will get cancelled, and here you have plus 3y. Just hide the middle sign. Hide the middle sign, you will understand. Okay, so you have 3x plus 10y. So it is 13y is equal to minus 4 minus 22. So it will be minus 26. And so your y will be minus 26 upon 13. Cancel it, you are going to get y is equal to minus 2. So once you get the value of y, you are going to substitute. So write down, put y equal to minus 2 in equation. Now you can take any equation. Let me take equation number 2 now.